Hey, good morning, you guys. Happy Wednesday, everybody. First thing I gotta say before I get into the vlog today is sending prayers to those who were injured in yesterday's shooting at the YouTube head office, or headquarters. Sending prayers, and we got news of it here yesterday afternoon after I got home from work. I got the notifications from CTV, the news channel. That's what was going on. I'm not going to go into, everyone knows what happened, so, but I just want to send my condolences and prayers to those who were injured. It's still cloudy, it's still raining, it's still crappy here this morning. It's windy and cold. But, yeah, it's apparently supposed to be like this all day. They're saying we're supposed to get snow for Friday, but I'm not too sure. But, yeah, it's very windy. I'm heading into work early today. Doing like a 7:30 to 2 shift when I'm supposed to be doing 10 to 2. I got a bunch of stuff I need to work on today, so I should be pretty busy. Hopefully that makes the time go a little bit faster. Other than that, I'm just waiting for the bus, which I could see it coming over the hill here. So I'm gonna turn you guys off, get on the bus, and I don't know what it's gonna. I don't know if it's gonna be even windier out down the lake, but if it isn't, I'll go do some filming down there. But if it is, I'll probably connect with you guys after or during my shift or something. Alright, so I'll see you guys in a little bit. What's going on, you guys? So I'm on the bus now. Nobody is here. I got the whole bus to myself. It's behind me. The whole bus to myself, which is kind of sweet. It's a little bumpy. It's a little noisy. But yeah, it's really windy, really crazy outside. So, but yeah, it's nice just being here. Heat's on, so it's nice and little dry and nice and warm. It tells you what the next stops are. So that's why you can hear that voice. Off at Lakeshore. And this will bring me right to, like, right in front of the work. So, which I'm almost there. So I'm only a few stops away. So I will catch you guys in a little bit. But I wanted to show you guys the bus. Alright, I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. Hey, good morning. So I just got off the bus. Dark clouds, storm. Thankfully, the lake isn't like going too crazy right now, coming off the rocks. Faster than I normally would to work. My work's just right there. Ooh, a Canada geese was sitting down in the water. Just got a big wave right over its face. So the pathway is open now. But they still have the little, the pomade here, the walkway. They still have it closed off. They still have all the fencing down on the pomade is still closed. which is understandable because like those planes could crash right over any time, right? So there's the two Canada geese. The one that was sitting in the water is the one at the back. He got his face all drenched. Yeah. Still crazy here. Yesterday the waves were crashing in pretty good. They're just on the opposite side there. But birds are trying to fly in this. It's really, really hard for them. I'm just gonna take some pictures while I'm doing my vlog, so I can throw up on Instagram, because that's what I like to do. You guys are doing all right. Alright, I got a bunch of pictures, you guys. I'm going to make my way back inside and warm up a bit. I'll see you guys in a little while. Hey, what's going on, you guys? So I'm just getting ready here in the staff room, or the men's room here. Locker area. It's not really a washroom. The washroom doesn't even work. Supposed to be going for my interview with the general manager and sales manager. So I just came in here to get freshened up, get presentable, and get ready. Just waiting for the radio to go. Everything is so far going good. I've done 2 services today. I did a refresh for the one room, and I just set up the ballroom, half the ballroom for tomorrow. All I got to do down there is just give the room a vacuum, and then little tiny things, get their stuff ready for tomorrow for their service in the morning. So I'm fully prepared. Other than that, everything else is going good today. Hasn't been any issues. The weather's been really weird here. Some places are getting snow. We've had rain, and then it got sunny, and then now it looks like it's foggy out right now on the water. I just took a look outside and it was all foggy. But yeah, some places in Ontario are getting snow. Some other places are getting a lot of rain, a lot of flooding. Some places are getting, flooding. It's just weird. April showers is what it's supposed to be. But right now, a lot of people are getting places. A lot of not far from us either. Like a few towns over are getting snow. So, but we've just been getting rain. So, but yeah, thought I'd come on here, just touch base with you guys. I know it's usually weird that I don't usually get a chance to do any vlogging or anything when I'm inside, when I'm working. But right now, I'm just waiting for the radio to go. And yeah, but I'm just gonna go grab some water. And I'll touch base with you guys later on. Alright, we'll talk soon. Hey, what's going on, you guys? So I'm down here, down in the ballroom. The room I just set up, it's just over, it's in this, across this wall. So it's all done, all clean, everything is ready to go. So I'm just in the center room now, like you guys can see. There's the center. So there's nothing going on in here for like a few days, so nothing's gonna have to be done in here. And just something going on the weekend, so they wanted to keep the rounds in case the catering company comes in and they want to do rounds. So I just had my interview. It went pretty good. I answered questions that they asked. Honestly,
and confidently. The only thing was I just couldn't even think of anything to ask them, like regarding the position, when they're looking to hire, the jobs, like what else the job entails. I just wasn't even ready to ask any questions. I just kind of had a blank. The one thing they told me about the new position was, if, for example, when there's staff here, and if certain staff, if a staff member is ill, or can't make their shift, the lead porter would have to come in. You know, I was like, yeah, I get it, but like a part of me was just like, I've got kids, you know, I've got a 6-year-old and a 4-year-old, and if we've got stuff going on, like I wanted to ask, but I was just, after I got out of the interview, I was just like, this came into my head, and I was just like, if something comes up with them, do I put them on hold, or do I, like, how do you balance both work and, like, not pissing off people, you know, or upsetting people? Like, I don't want to upset anybody here. If I get to position, like, what would happen? Like, would I upset somebody here if I couldn't do it because I had prior engagements at home? Like, I don't know. It's just, it kind of, I don't know, I just feel kind of like, I want the position, I want it, like, I really want it. I just don't know if that's one thing that's going to hold me back, you know? Having kids and not being able to move up anywhere. You know, I really want to be challenged. I've been here over a year. I've been back a year. But I also worked here before, so I'm adjusting to the new ways of how it's run. Obviously, there's still things I'm trying to improve on. Now that I've been here a year, there was some stuff I missed the last time, but I fixed those items. I fixed those mistakes. I made them better, especially today when I reset the one boardroom, and it's setting up this room. I've made sure I haven't missed anything. I went above and beyond setting up this boardroom so it's perfect for tomorrow. So those are things that I'm doing, and I know it's not like I'm doing it just every day, like once a day, like today, and then I'm not going to do it tomorrow. Like, I'm looking at the contracts, I'm prioritizing what is what's important. So setting up this boardroom was important because it's going to be used tomorrow. Resetting the other boardroom, getting it available so it could be booked for another group, like, so it could be used for another function, getting it cleaned and vacuumed and making sure there's no dirty anything in it. So, but yeah, I just wanted to touch base with you guys and just let you know I did have my interview, and I'm gonna hope and wait and see what happens. Obviously, there's me and another coworker here who have applied, and then they're interviewing a few people from outside of the hotel. So we will see what happens. But yeah, thought I'd touch base with you guys, and I'm going to keep on doing some stuff. I'm going to go up to the restaurant and grab a drink because I'm thirsty. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. Hey, what's going on, you guys? So we're back home here. We got like a crazy windstorm happening right now. And apparently like 80 to 90 mile an hour winds are happening. There's like trees blowing over on Lakeshore, and it's really crazy right now. It's also snowing, so we're getting crazy snow, and yeah, I don't know if you guys can hear the wind or not, but this is just from the balcony door. Yes, we know, Emily, you got a new mini stick. We had a hockey team in I guess it was in December, and I guess some of the teams left some stuff, and one of the kids left a mini stick, so now
I got it. I brought it home, and it's like the perfect size for Emily. So, yeah, you can use it too. But, yeah, it's nice. It's a little tiny, like, composite CCM stick. So, perfect for floor hockey and mini stick. So, yeah, that's what's going on. We're home now, so we're going to hang out here and just stay inside. Because I don't want to go outside and get nothing falling on us. No trees falling. So, that's what's going on. All right, we'll talk to you guys soon, now that we're home. Hey, what is up, you guys? We are in the midst of a crazy windstorm right now. We have no power. Right now, we haven't had power in our building going on almost an hour. I was gonna make broccoli and cheddar and cheese soup in our crock pot. I started it at almost 4 o'clock, 3 or 4 o'clock, and the power flickered on and off, and then it just shut off. It's now almost 6. It's got to be almost 6 o'clock right now, and the wind is just howling. A lot of Burlington right now has no power. They're saying that the wind is about 90 kilometers an hour. I'm not sure what that is in miles, but I don't know if you guys could hear it, but we're inside and I have no windows open, and you can hear it. Like, the trees are just like outside here, outside the window, are just blowing like crazy. So the girls are they're in their bedroom, they're playing and they're actually tidying up their room, which is actually nice. And I was just enjoying the quiet time, and I've read about half of my book that I got from the library. Killer, My Life in Hockey from Doug Gilmour. So I have to return this in a few weeks. So I'm trying to get caught up on my reading. I'd watch a lot more. I would watch a lot more videos, but right now our internet's off, so I have no data right now. So I can't really upload anything. We can't watch TV. I can't even play the radio or anything because I have no electricity. So it's nicer now that it's daylight. Like, if it's like this any longer, we're gonna have to get some candles out and conserve I have to conserve my cell phone. I might not be able to upload this. I don't even know if I'll be able to upload it. Who knows when the power's gonna come back on. It's been crazy. It's just been nuts. So, not sure what's gonna happen.
Hello. 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 Do you like my head? Do you like my head?
They can't say yes.
How?
How are they supposed to say yes?
Ow.
You guys are cleaning up your bedroom?
It's almost a lot of lunar. Come see it.
I've already did.
Come right now.
But yeah, like I was saying, like, it's been really windy, no power, no electricity. We can't flush our toilet. We can't run the water. Can't do
nothing.
Nothing. It's like being in a cottage.
Just play, read a book. I'll do anything.
You gotta be quiet, right? Because Mommy's not feeling well.
She still has the kidney stone.
So that's what's going on here, guys. We're just
Not even sure what's going on, so...
Go vampire dive.
Oh! What the heck?
What the?
The lights turned on.
What the?
Whoa, here I am, I'm just talking about this, and now all of a sudden, poof. And let there be light. TV just came on. Whoa.
Oh my god.
Well, this literally just happened. I didn't make this up.
Is the TV on in the bedroom?
Well, they're gonna go and check to see if the DVD player in their room came on. Wow, this is awesome. I didn't. Well, the power just came on. We have no idea how long it's gonna be on for. Whoa, this is crazy that this just happened. But yeah, we got power. I don't know if I don't think our internet's up right now, so I can't turn on. Yeah, it says I'm not connected, so I'm gonna have to wait for that to load up. And yeah, that's what's gonna be. So, but yeah, guys, it's been crazy here today. So, on that note, I'm going to shut this part off. I'll show you guys what it looks like outside. You won't be able to see a lot from our window, but I'll show you guys right now what it's like out there. It doesn't look like it's that bad. Like the wind's kind of dimmered a little bit, but I'll show you guys what it is, and then we'll end the vlog. All right, I'm gonna turn this off, and I'll talk to you guys in a second. All right, so this is a view from our this is from our living room window. Looks like there's not a lot. There's actually no tree damage, trees falling down and whatnot. But these trees that you guys could see have been blowing like crazy ever since I got home. So it's been that one here and those ones over there. And yes, that is a hydro line that goes right through them. So there must have been some branches falling along the path, because that's where all that is. So, but yeah, as you can see, the clouds are just moving like crazy. They've been moving like that the whole time. So, since I've been home. So, here's this other side. These ones have just been going too. These are just smaller trees. But yeah, so the kids are just going to watch the DVD. I'm going to just plug my phone in. I'm going to get this vlog uploaded before the internet, and if anything else happens. But as you can see, those clouds are just moving really, really bad right now. Really, really fast. Not bad, fast. And there's trees up here. Alright, you guys. Well, thank you so much for watching the vlog today. It's been an interesting day, that's for sure. So, with work, crazy wind, and now having our power and lights back on. Totally crazy. So
The TV is working.
it is okay. Awesome. Alright, you guys. Well, thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great day. If you're new to the channel, please leave a like, leave a comment. And if you're new, please subscribe. Really do appreciate it. If also too, I do have the merchandise store on Spreadshirt. If you're wanting to buy some Happy Canadian shirts, I only have one design right now. That's the only one I've got. It's on there. I'll put the link in the description. I also have a Patreon page as well, so just letting you guys know, I don't expect anything. I do have one follower who supports me on Patreon, which is amazing. And, you know, every little bit helps, right? So, other than that, there's nothing else going on. I'm going to end the vlog. I'm going to start making dinner. And I'll chat with you guys tomorrow. Alright, this is Jeff, the Happy Canadian, saying bye for now. We'll talk to you guys later.